Tomato salad with walnuts. We'll be needing in this recipe 1 medium onion, bunch of parsley, 4 tomatoes, half a cup of walnuts, pomegranate molasses, balsamic vinegar, half green pepper, 1 red pepper, some fresh mint leaves, and olive oil. We're gonna start by dicing the tomato in the manner that you see and put them in a glass bowl. Now let's chop the onion fine and then put it on top of the tomato. Now we dice the parsley washed and clean in the manner that you see. We dice the red pepper and add it to the glass bowl. We also dice the green pepper and add it. We take the fresh green mint leaves and cut it very fine. Add to the bowl. We take half a cup of walnuts, crush them gently, and add to the bowl. Leave a little bit for garnishing. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 squeezed lemon, half a teaspoon of sumac. Mix well and garnish with the left crushed walnuts.